The secret recipe. Once upon a time, in a cozy little house, lived a girl named Lily and her mom, Sarah. Every Sunday, they baked cookies together, sharing laughter and stories. One day, Lily wanted to bake cookies for her mom as a surprise. She searched for the secret recipe but couldn't find it. Feeling frustrated, she asked her mom for the help. Sarah smiled and said, "The secret is not just in the recipe, it's in the love we share while baking." Lily realized that the best ingredient was their bond. They baked together and the cookies turned out delicious. Love and teamwork make everything sweeter in a relationship. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, leave a comment to share your thoughts and hit the subscribe button. Bye bye.